Hey YouTube, wanted to do a video review on actually a present I got for Christmas. It's called a kindling cracker. It's actually made in Australia, so you have a big circle here with a blade in the middle. Put your log in there, give it a few whacks with a hammer, and make kindling really easy. So put it on a log. It has holes so you can bolt it, but I've just been putting it on the log because I don't have to unbolt it and bring it in the house or put it in the shed so it doesn't get rusty. But take your log, instead of trying to play the don't hit your finger game with a hatchet or a little axe, just put it on there, give it a whack. Whoop, a little carried away, but makes kindling nice and easy. Just tap it through till it's the size you want it. You can just keep going smaller and smaller. Make little tiny sticks, bigger sticks. The drier the wood is, usually the faster it pops open. Now, this is a bigger piece of, it's actually twisted. So we're gonna see how this works. Should be fine, but we'll find out, I guess. There you go. Big twisted piece of walnut and no issues. So definitely giving this one a 10 out of 10. So Christmas presents are good. A lot of the times this one's awesome. It's actually pretty satisfying, believe it or not. You just sit here and tap tap and make little sticks. Don't have to hit your fingers no more. I got enough scars from that. But just wanted to share this little piece of gear with you. You'd probably take it car camping, or if you go to campgrounds with an RV or whatever, you could take it there. I wouldn't take it backpacking, obviously, but kindling cracker, 10 out of 10. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Like and subscribe. Hope this helps somebody out. Thank you.